Okay, everybody. Inspiration by Brad. It's raining. Look, I'm wet. I'm soaking wet. It's raining. If you don't believe me, don't believe my shirt. This is in Subic. It's raining. It's gonna flood. Philippines, man. This big old honking storm that they got out here going on. And we're on the edge of it. Gotta pity everybody who's not. It's raining. It's raining. Enjoy yourselves. If you're in the Philippines, hover down, move to high ground. Get out of the low spots, man. This is not a good storm to be hanging out near any drainage. Use your brains. Be inspired, but use your brain. Check in with you later. Have a good day.